Hey everyone, my name's GP and welcome to Rob Tech 2045. So, you've been wanting to get into artificial intelligence, but maybe you're not quite sure where to start. Well, you've come to the right place. Today, what we're going to do is lay out a super clear and simple roadmap that'll take you from being kind of curious about AI to actually building cool stuff with it. Okay, let's jump right in.
AI isn't some sci-fi thing way off in the future anymore. It's here, it's now, and it's changing pretty much everything. And look, it's not just me saying this. This quote right here on the screen, it just nails it. Keeping your skills fresh isn't just a nice to have. It's becoming absolutely essential for moving forward in your career. But where do you even begin, right? The internet is just this endless ocean of tutorials and articles and courses. It is so easy to get totally overwhelmed. Spend hours digging around and then just hit a wall. It's frustrating. That feeling of not knowing which way to go. That's exactly what we're going to fix today. Okay, so every great adventure has a starting point. So step one on our quest is to figure out exactly where you are on the map. This isn't some test. It's just about finding the path that makes the most sense for you. So have a look at the screen. Which one of these sounds more like you? Over on the left, are you a total beginner when it comes to programming? No problem at all. Your first mission is to just get the fundamentals down. Things like variables and functions. It's like learning the alphabet before you try to write a book. It is the absolute foundation. Now, for those of you on the right, you already know your way around code. For you, it's about a mindset shift. It's not just about writing code anymore. It's about learning to team up with an AI. And that is a whole new superpower. All right, once you know where you're starting from, you need some gear for the journey, right? Well, think of this next section as your own personal, hand-picked university. And the best part is, it's packed with amazing, high-quality courses that are all completely free. We're talking stuff from the biggest names out there. And here's the really great part. We've organized everything. So you're not going to waste your time slogging through some super technical developer course if you're a business leader who just needs to get the big picture strategy. We've got tailored paths to get you to your goal faster. You can just focus on what matters to you. Now, this is what's so cool about where we are today. AI is so much more accessible. If you're just starting out, you can get a fantastic overview in just a couple of hours. Check out Generative AI for Everyone or Google's quick 30-minute intro. No coding required, seriously. You can get the basics of one of the most powerful technologies in the world in less time than it takes to binge a couple episodes of your favorite show. For all of you who are ready to get your hands dirty and write some code, just look at this lineup. Harvard, Google, AWS, these are the heavy hitters, folks. These courses are built to give you real practical skills. From learning the AI fundamentals with Python at Harvard to Google's 15-hour crash course in machine learning, this is where the theory gets real. But hang on, this isn't just a game for coders. It's not just about the tech team anymore. For a whole company to really win with AI, the leaders need to understand the strategic playbook, and courses like these from AWS and Pendo are designed to give them exactly that. Okay, so you've figured out your skill level, you found the perfect courses for you. Now we get to the most exciting part. It's time to turn all that knowledge into something real. We're going from learning to doing. So what's up with the giant number 8? Well, that's how many awesome beginner-friendly project ideas we've got lined up for you. Because look, the single best way to make these new skills actually stick is to build something. A side project is your own personal playground. But before you dive headfirst into the code, here are 5 quick tips to make sure you succeed. First, pick something you're actually excited about. It'll keep you motivated when you hit a snack. Second, keep it small. An achievable first goal will build your confidence. Then, find the right tools and data. And finally, don't go it alone. Connect with the community. And hey, here's an unofficial 6th tip from me. Don't be afraid to break things.
Your first project is all about learning, not about being perfect. So, what could you actually build? How about an AI chatbot? You can get so creative here. I mean, imagine being able to chat with your favorite podcaster just by feeding their transcripts to a bot, or maybe building a fitness coach that creates workouts just for you. Here's a little pro tip. Start with a small data set you know really well, like maybe your own text messages, just to get a feel for the mechanics. Or hey, maybe you're a huge movie nerd. Then build your own recommendation system. This is the exact kind of thinking that powers giants like Netflix. You'll see these fancy sounding terms like collaborative filtering, but really it's just a smart way of saying, hey, people who liked this movie also liked that movie, so you'll probably like it too. It's all about finding patterns, and it's an amazing concept to learn hands-on. And the ideas just keep on coming. You could build a spam filter for your email, a program that can read handwritten numbers, a tool to automatically pull key info from resumes, or even an app that can identify different plants or animals from a photo. Each one of these teaches you a core AI skill in a really fun, tangible way. So there you have it. We've literally mapped out the entire journey. We started with why these skills are so important, we figured out your personal starting point, we found the right free courses just for you, and we dove into hands-on projects that make it all come to life. The roadmap is right here in front of you. You've got the resources, you've got the ideas. The only thing left to do is to take that first step.
So the last and most important question is the one right there on your screen. What will you build first? Commit to it in the comments below. Drop a like, subscribe to keep your tech skills sharp, and I'll see you in the next breakdown.